Keep your eyes on me.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jessica Bethany, and I'm coming to you guys with this hair review on this wig. But before we go ahead and get into this wig, I need you to go ahead and do me a favor. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so you're notified any and every time I post, as well as give me the thumbs up for that good old YouTube algorithm. Now let's go ahead and get into this look. Okay, so here is the wig. It's a Neesha wig. Neesha? I'm gonna say Neesha. Wig from Outre. I really feel like this is not the wig I ordered, because I swear I ordered blonde and I got this color, but we got another middle part. But you know, I'm popping out these reviews, so you know, y'all be wanting to see them and, you know, try new things. Again, it does say it's heat safe, and as I always say, you do it at your own risk. I find that it doesn't curl the wig, it just straightens the wig out. So if you want to straighten it out, put some heat on it. If you want to curl it, put some flexi rods in it. But here's the wig. Here's what she looks like. I swear I didn't order this wig. I swear I didn't, but I don't have my phone near me. So this is the wig. And it's Neesha 201 and S430. I really feel like I ordered the color, this color. This is the color I feel like I ordered. Whatever. We're here. I'll take her out. You know, she comes in all this unnecessary packaging. Okay, she's giving. For some reason they put a sponge at the top. That's new. So I mean, she's giving natural kinky. So she's giving like my hair blown out. So here's what our cap construction looks like. We have the part right here. We have two combs on the side. Have a comb in the back and two adjustable straps in the back. And that's it. So that's what she looks like. So she's real like kinky. I mean, I don't know what the word to tell y'all. Like, she's not really silky, she's more kinky. She looks like my hair blown out. You know, if I took the blow dryer or whatever to it real good and took the time. Ooh. And I'm just taking the tag off of her. So yeah, just a little curl. Yeah, so let's go ahead and put her on. Okay, so I feel like with this, I'm trying to figure out. I'm about to put my cap on real good. But y'all know I got this small forehead, like this little bitty forehead, so I ain't got much space to be putting a wig on sometimes. So I gotta make it enough. So try to get all the hair out of it. I feel like this is about to be an easy apply. Let me go in, and of course we gotta do our part. Our MAC powder. First of all, I've had it so long I don't know what color it's in, but I'll link it below. Cause I was trying to find it for the last hair video for y'all, right? Girl, first of all, it was hard to find. Reason being, the powder that I have had for so long, and I really don't care that it's old because I put it on my wigs, not my face, so it's just for my wig. So, and I'm one of those people that rarely ever hits pan. And girl, I'm about to get the use out of this product. I'm about to get all the use out of this product. Okay. So now it has been demoted from face to wig. So, and I'm just putting on this middle part, like on the part. So if y'all can see where I put the powder, right through there, like so. And sometimes I bring it out from the part just to make sure, like, just to make sure everything blends well, because baby girl, make sure you blend it well. Okay. So that's what we look like so far. I always go back onto the top, but this is what we have right here. And I'm gonna go in. Let me throw her on my head. Lord. One. I don't know why. I think because it's so short, it keeps going in the cap. Look in the back. Ooh. Please, I don't want to put a hole in this lace like I did last one. That last one. Sis, hold on. Okay, so first impressions, it is giving me auntie vibes. It's giving me auntie vibes. Like, oh Jesus. Auntie at the cookout vibes. It ain't auntie vibes because I'm an auntie. It's giving me auntie vibes. Auntie. Lord. And this, first off, it is not big head friendly. Yes, I have a big head, so yeah, she giving auntie vibes. Okay. Okay, yeah, she giving auntie vibes. I'm not gonna stop. But what I am gonna do. Alright, so I want to get my ceramic hot comb. Just to take some of the puff out of this, okay? Okay. But we not gonna give up. I'm not gonna give up. But while that's heating up, let me clip this back so I can lay this lace. Get her together. And everything, okay? Okay. We gonna go in with our got to be freeze. It's got to be, yes. Got to be. I mean, y'all should really, I should really stop singing that song for they copyright me. But I'm just applying on my forehead. Like, we gonna make this wig work. Cause do I like her out of the packaging? No. I do not like her out of the packaging. No. She giving me auntie, great auntie vibes. She giving me like Aunt vibes, like Aunt Moselle vibes, Aunt Lucille vibes. And granted, I do have aunts by those names. They didn't really wear wigs like this, but it's the vibe that it's giving me. They won't wear the short curly do, but it's the vibe that it's giving. Okay, it's giving auntie vibes. It's not giving rich auntie vibes. You know, rich auntie with no kid vibes. You know. You know, rich auntie and Belize vibes. That's the vibes I be going to, okay?
I didn't mean to end this life, I know it was alright. I can't even sleep and I can't get it off my mind. I need to get out of sight, but I end up behind bars. What started out as a simple altercation turns into a real sticky situation. Need best thinking on the time that I'm facing makes me wanna cry. a curtain. Could have been somebody's son, and I took his heart with. I pulled out that gun. Rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. Stand down. Rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. Stand down, mama, mama. I just shot a man down in Central Station. What you expect me to do? If you're playing me for a fool, I will lose my cool and reach for my firearm. I didn't mean to lay him down, but it's too late to turn back now. Don't know what I was thinking. Now he's no longer living, so I'm about to leave town. Yeah, cause I didn't mean to hurt him. Could have been somebody's son, and I took his heart with. I pulled out that gun. Rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. Stand down. Rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. Stand down, mama, mama. I just shot a man down in Central Station in front of a big old crowd. Oh, mama, mama, mama. Whatever happened to me, never happened to me, never happened to me. Why did I pull it, trigger, pull it, trigger, pull it, trigger, pull? And then life so soon when me pull it, trigger, pull it, on you. Somebody tell me what I'm gonna do. Hey, ram, papa, bam, ram, papa, bam, ram, papa, bam. Me say one man down, all me say ram, papa, bam, ram, papa, bam, ram, papa, bam. And me went downtown, so now I am a criminal. Oh Lord of mercy, now I am a criminal. Man down, tell the judge please give me minimal. Run out of town, none of them can see me now, see me now. Oh mama, mama, I just shot a man down in Central Station.
Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get janked. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get janked. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. All set. Records on records, got backers, I'm riding around in a coupe. I take your bitch right from you. Bitch, I'm a dog. Beat down her walls. Hey. Hop in the fall. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get janked. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas are savage. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. It's bad.
Okay, so this is what I came up. I had to take some of that puff out. I mean, I'm not the biggest. It's a middle part and it's a bob, so not my favorite hairstyle on me. Because it makes me feel so, my face look so much more mature. So mature. So, I'm here with the bob. I feel like this would be cute. Let me see if I can try to bump this a little bit. Okay, yeah, there we go. A little bump to it, okay. if I can find this online, because I got this at Walmart so long ago. Girl, if you ain't got you one of these, get you one of these. If I can find it online, I will definitely link it below, because that is like one of my favorite tools. Okay. So here's the wig. Okay. The hair is thick. It's thick. It's heavy. It's good hair. It was easy to, as y'all can see, I didn't really have any issues as far as, you know, running the hot comb, the ceramic hot comb through it or anything. So that was really a good thing. The hair is not really, it's not thin. So for what you get, it's not thin. It's a cute, like once I got it working, it's not, okay, the hairstyle itself is not ugly. It's not an ugly hairstyle, okay? It's just not my cup of tea on me. Okay, I can get with that. Put something back like this. But the hair, it's a cute style. I really don't feel like this is the wig I ordered. I really don't, but it's the wig I got. I know I didn't order this color for a fact, but I didn't feel like dealing with Amazon and doing returns and stuff or whatever, because that's just a whole debacle on its own. I swear to God, I don't return anything. I just like, look, it is what it is. Especially if I order it through the mail and I can't just walk into the store and return it. But I mean, she's not, again, back to this wig, she's not, honestly, she is not beginners friendly. Like, homegirl is not beginners friendly. Like, she took some work for me. Unless you like her like she was out of the packaging. She wasn't giving what I needed her to give. For me, like, it was just too puffy for me. It was too puffy for the length of the hair. So I had to go in and put a little heat to it, straighten her out. Whatever. She's a cute dude. She's a cute dude. She's something different for me. I feel like she just has to grow on me. I'll say that. She has to grow on me. Break up some of this. No, what I'm trying to do is break up some of that wax stick, because I feel like it melted in chunks sometimes. There we go. Better. But she's cute. She's cute for what she paid for. A different little do or whatever. I mean, the color is cute on me, okay? I already know this color is cute on me. This color's always cute on me, because I generally wear colors like this. But I'm trying to go through my blonde hair phase. I feel like if it was blonde, it would give more. I feel like this color is giving more mature vibes for me. But I want it blonde. Oh no, I'm trying to find her in blonde, because blonde be giving what it's supposed to give for me. At this point now, I am rambling. But let me go ahead and get to the end of this video. Tell me what you think of this wig. I like her. I just got to get used to the cut and the middle part. Because with the middle part, I just have to contour more, because I have a very fat face. So I feel like I have to contour more and like pull my face in more. As far as with the middle part or whatever. Cousin Chris, she was calling me. And me watching this. Hey y'all. But let me go ahead and wrap this video up, because I swear I was rambling. So go ahead. And I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. But before you go, I need you to make sure that you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up video, because I know you love this video. As well as comment below some looks or styles you would like for me to try, or some wigs that you want me to try, okay? But thank you so much for watching. Toodles.